the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk on my new Google Pixel 4a 5G. You can see that if I scroll up from the bottom, I get all these apps, and there's no way that I can find my app. Okay, so I'm gonna now bring them up to the desktop or whatever you call it, and I'm gonna put them in folders. So I already have a folder called work. So I'm gonna show you how to make another folder. So all you have to do is you're going to drag another icon. So let's say I want Instagram, drag that, hold it down, bring to the home screen, and then you also need another one. Okay, so I'm going to drag the Facebook icon, bring it to the home screen, and I'm going to drag it right on top of my other icon, and then it's already come up with a name automatically. Okay, so I didn't even have to change the name, but if I wanted to, I can click on the name and just change it to, oh, and look at, it just shows up with words I want to use. So I'm going to say friends or social network or something like that. Social network. Okay, and click tick, get out of that. And then if I want to add more to that, I can probably drag another one. Let's say line, drag it on to social network. Done. Okay, so I have 2 folders. Alright, very cool. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.